Well, grab the GoPro, dead battery. So we're going to use this little handy cam here. So yesterday, get my light. Yesterday I finished the concrete. Poured this 3-foot by 12-foot pad ramp. Turned out pretty damn good, I think. And just pulled the form off earlier. Throw some gravel around here. I need some more gravel. Obviously. Turned out pretty good. Not bad for a Harbor Freight mixer. I had 16 bags left over. Got the old lady's car back in the garage here. Let's go see what I did with the 16 bags. Obviously you can tell I'm bored walking out here with a halogen light at nighttime. A couple of years ago the deck was all rotted out. Took it apart and we need steps to get into the front door. So there we go. Poured our little pad. Little 4-foot by 5-foot. Heck yeah. Not bad for an amateur, I'll tell you that. Pad's a pad though. Excellent. I'm going to build her some steps. Then maybe next year I'll build a deck. Not taking on another project this year.